Hello, we'll be talking about the Settings tab today. And this will display all the set points and setting information for each category. When you hit the Settings tab here, the default screen will be the HVAC settings. This is where permanent target temperature for cooling and heating can be set, and setting also the temperature for unoccupied and occupied mode for cooling and heating here. Simply by pressing this button, and you can change the temperatures using the plus and minus sign, and simply save by hitting the check mark or cancel by hitting the X. This is also where you can set which mode you want your HVAC to be in: heating, cooling, or auto. Also, the status of your fan, whether you want it on or in auto mode. Also, this is where you can change the bypass time. So this is where you can set a bypass time to revert back to the long-term set point when staff changes the thermostat in the short-term settings. Simply click this button and use the plus and minus signs to adjust the time, and save your changes by the green check mark or cancel with the X. On the top left, there will be a drop-down box, and we'll go to lighting settings, and this is where you can change the bypass time for each lighting zone. Just like in the HVAC, simply use a plus or minus to set your changes, and using the check mark to save, X to cancel. Next, we'll go down to energy. And this is where you can input the price per kilowatt simply by pressing this box and using the plus and minus signs accordingly. Then we'll scroll down to users. And this is where you will be able to change your display name, your username, and password. Once all the changes have been made, you can simply click the check mark to save your changes. Next, we'll go to alerts and notifications. This is where you will be able to pick and choose which alarms, alerts you would like to be sent via email or by text. Simply check the alarm and the zone you would like to be notified by clicking the box here. You can click the mobile number box here, type in your number, and then select the carrier that you have service with. And once you are satisfied with all your changes, simply click the green check mark to save your changes.